this.
Look how small you are. Look how small your stomach compared to mine.
He said if you're hungry now. He said you guys teach. He said you guys
He bought two on purpose, I bet you.
He said you guys didn't teach him. Only 2 sandwiches.
Yeah, well, seafood fettuccine or something, like on big platter.
That's for one family there.
Yeah, that's how big I like them.
Oh, sorry, I cannot take you then.
Get the crab.
I cannot take you then.
The shrimp.
I cannot take you then. No can.
Roll with the spoon.
I no can.
Poke.
No can.
What else?
The poke can have to be with beer, that's right. But I like eat food right now.
Prime ribs.
No. I'm not eating like seafood right now.
Seafood? Why seafood?
Because I ate 2 hamburgers
Okay,
just now.
come in the bedroom. We gotta get some coming up pretty
Oh.
soon. No, but seafood I ate last night. Shrimp with scallops. Invitation crab. And noodles.
Follow.
You like that?
5 pounds.
Oh, fuck, I made me lose weight.
The aura kind of time when Lily had her Lala the first year I bought.
Oh, that one was good, bro.
He like 5 one time.
5, low. Oh, you
No, sorry.
you
Try that again.
you just install it.
Try that again. Right, for
I think he
$5.
wants sumo wrestler. He will lose all the time because he plenty in English.
He plenty
Hey,
He watching video.
Summers!
break the damn TV and get a flat one. Tell him it's training age.
If you don't flat screen, you think we'll be last over here? Could be gone, bro.
Every day you have to calm down, take him to his shop.
Put him away,
Could be gone.
So you know what? I'm gonna make a special wagon. We thought.